Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, enjoying a nice smoky cocktail. I wanted you to see that before I lift it off. And how cool is that? This is an experience you won't soon forget. And if you have guests over, it really adds to the aromatic experience of drinking. You can do it with all sorts of juices, SCOTCH. You can do it with wine, and it's really fantastic. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This is an old-fashioned smoker kit, a great brand, and it comes with some cool stuff. First off, you get this butane lighter, which you can see right here, is easy to use, and all you're gonna do is you're going to put on this cap on your glass. It does come with 4 different chips that you can put in there, kind of wood chips that you can put in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and drop those in. Boop, boop, boop. Add a plenty. This is the cherry wood for bartending, and it's a fuel. And then you just go ahead, light her up. How cool is that? I'm gonna go and put my lid on tight, and it's going to start smoking up the glass. Leave it there for 15-20 seconds and really see a fun show of cool smoking. Now, on top of all of that, you do get 2 different foils that you put your chips in, and you get 4 different scents. I've been really enjoying the cherry, but it's got oak, cherry, hickory, and of course, applewood. So folks, if you're looking for something that's really going to spice up your life, something that's really fantastic, and a great gift idea for the holidays, for Father's Day, for Mother's Day, well, guess what? This is great. It's going to add to your experience. And yeah, folks, I'm a big, big fan. So just take it right off, enjoy. Absolutely delicious. And ooh, yeah, I can taste that cherry in there now. So it brings out the full flavor, and it's going to be a great experience. Now, in terms of, this is something that you can get just for yourself and kicking back and watching a movie. Maybe Netflix and chilling with a date. Or if you can make an event of it, you can use it as an opportunity to do it with your friends. Now, I love the fact that the butane lighter does come with it. And that butane lighter you can use for all sorts of things. Anytime you need to use a lighter, this is a convenient, fast way to light. And just so you know about it, putting the butane in, you're just gonna put the butane right in the bottom, and then it's got an adjustment knob right here that's going to change the flame size. And all it is right there, it's going to kick it off. All right, so on top of all that, you get it in this beautiful, stylish, sophisticated, and chic gift box. This is a great box that you can gift it to your friends. And I gotta tell you, the variety of chips on here really make it. I'm gonna open up the oak for you. You can see they're just oak chips right there. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start over with some oak chips now. So I'm putting my oak chips in, and really a great brand. One of the things I like so much about this brand is they make it easy and straightforward with English instructions that make this a pleasant experience. So just gonna go ahead. I let it burn a little bit more than most. They probably say don't quite burn it as much as this, but I'm a rebel. Put that lid on and let it smoke up the glass, obviously. You can do it over ice or not over ice. Ice, to me, is twice as nice. And you're gonna get a great aromatic experience, aroma. Oh, and that is just beautiful. I don't know if you can still see it, but you can see it on my end. And it is really a great bouquet. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. If you're looking for a great gift idea, if you're looking for a great idea for mom or dad, well, guess what? This is a perfect gift experience. I appreciate all of you. Goodbye, my friends.